What's going on, YouTube? Arkham Moto here, and we're going to be doing some testing on my mic adapter today. So far I cannot get the mic to work just like I want it to, and while I'm at it, I'm just going to ride around and talk to you guys and see if I can get it to work. If it does, this video will go up. If it doesn't, you'll never see this. Nice. I like this visor a lot. Yes, it's cold. It is very cold today. Oh my goodness. So I just got back from Alabama. We went up to my wife's family's Easter. We came back from Disney and then went there. And I've just been relaxing the rest of the week. I might have another job opportunity come up too, so that's exciting. I gotta finish the application and resume process on that. Oh, it's cold today, man, but it's beautiful out. It's really pretty out. Can't wait to try out my new visor. All right, let's go. Yeah, buddy. Okay, she looked like she was not having a good day. So guys, I've been trying to get some videos put out onto my editing software that I use so I can get some Disney footage up. I have some pretty decent footage, not the best. I got a little bit of footage from the fireworks show. Actually, I got the whole entire fireworks show, but I'm not going to probably put the entire fireworks show up, but I will put a lot of it up. It does look like it still can rain at any moment. I'm not going to let that stop me. This is just a test. There we go. Forgot to buckle my helmet down. It's not good. Let's try this again. Hello. Whoops. Get it together. Don't go yet. I will say, after I got my Cena adapter, or my Cena headset, I got music going right now. I don't know if the video will be able to hear it. If it is, then I won't be able to put this up, of course. But after I got my Cena headset on, I enjoy riding a whole lot more. I'm able to hear music, I'm able to talk on the phone. Let's see, go time. I'm just riding around Douglasville for today just to see how things are going with my mic adapter and see if I can get this crackling to stop. I have this terrible crackling. I think it was because I was boosting my mic adapter through my settings, and I'm hoping that turning that boost off will help the crackling. It's like every time I start going off, the wind will just start to make the mic crackle the whole time, and it won't be able to hear me at all. So today's just kind of a test day to see if I can get that to go away. If I can't, I'll have to buy a new mic. I've tried to get this mic to work, and if it doesn't work, it just doesn't work. You got to try something else. So that's what we're doing today, and I thought I'd come out for a little bit of a ride. It's kind of cold though, so I don't know how long I'll be out. Go this way. This way. I've got a little bit of content coming your guys' way if I can get this mic adapter, or not mic adapter, but mic to work. I have a first ride coming up here soon. It is going to be a cruiser. And I bet you if you watch any of my videos, you'll know exactly what cruiser I'll be riding, which is my cousin Philip's cruiser. He's got a Honda Shadow 750. I think it's an 07 model. And I'm going to be riding that. It's not a first ride, but it's a bike that I don't own, and I haven't actually rode it for a long amount of time. I actually only rode it on this little road right here that we're riding on right now, and I pulled into the mall parking lot up here, and that was all I rode of it. I would like to take it on like a 30-45 minute ride, and he said it was fine with him, so I'm going to do that. I will get to a point where I will do, what would you call it, like a long-term review on my bike as well, which it's not really been that long. I haven't even had this bike a year, but I've almost put 3,000 miles on it. I don't know if I said it in any of my Disney videos, but even if I didn't, I'm going to go ahead and say I rode this motorcycle all the way down to Orlando, Florida from my house, which is right at 470 miles. I won't be doing that no more, but I do say that I enjoyed the ride for what it was. It's just, this bike is not geared for highways, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you're not really technical, mechanically inclined, or understand that language, that's a nice BMW. Anyway, running between an average of 75 to 85 miles an hour on this motorcycle at long periods of time is just not good. No bueno. It was close to like 6,000 RPM the whole time, which is ridiculous. It was so ridiculous. I was getting about 120 miles to the gallon, or 120 miles to the tank. I was getting about 120 miles to the tank, and that's just a pain to have to take and stop every 2 hours to get fuel. And it's not something I'd want to do again. Like I said, don't get me wrong, I enjoyed it. I had fun going down there, but I did put the motorcycle in the back of the truck on the way home. Big reason was because we was at the park for like 4 days straight, and on that 5th day that we came home, I was just ready to just ride and relax. My wife drove most of the way home, so it's not going to happen again. I don't know what that guy's doing. He's got the right of way. And that guy didn't. I will be doing another demo day, actually 2 more demo days in the future. If I'm not mistaken, the next one is next weekend back up in Canton at Freedom Power Sports. I will be going up there, and they're going to have a Suzuki demo day, and they act like the whole entire lineup's going to be there. I don't see how they can let just anybody with a motorcycle license like throw their leg over a Suzuki Hayabusa. That's just not a good idea. Which maybe they're not that stupid, I don't know. I know if they have it and I have time, I plan on trying to demo a Hayabusa. Last time I rode a Hayabusa, I was 14 years old, believe it or not. Yeah, I know, that's crazy. My dad actually owned a 2004 Suzuki Hayabusa. He bought it brand new at what used to be Metro Cycle, and it's actually the same place where I bought the MT-07. But yeah, I grew up riding dirt bikes, and I guess he thought, well, he knows not to like full gun throttle into the, power. The throttle response is just insane. Well, not really the response, but just the power on delivery is just insane, is what I guess I could say. Yeah, I've got that Suzuki demo day, I think, is coming up this weekend, and you'll probably get this vlog on Tuesday, and if this mic adapter or mic works. But you'll probably get this vlog on Tuesday, and you'll be getting Disney vlog on Thursday, and then next week I'll probably do a vlog on the Suzuki demo day, and then I'll probably be doing one on just a regular vlog. And then I've got a Triumph demo day coming up soon. I think it's on May the 4th. It was supposed to be today, but as you can see, the weather's not permitting. So the Triumph demo day has been moved to May 4th, which I'm excited of, because I wasn't going to get to go and be a part of it because it was going to be today, which I kind of found out that I would have actually been a part of it. I did not take an action. I need a vacation from my vacation, but come on guys, green light, right foot, come on. So May 4th, anytime after May 4th, look for a Triumph demo. I'm definitely wanting to try out the Speed Triple lineup. As you know, I love my naked bikes, but I'm also going to see about renting an Indian Scout Bobber. That's a bike that I actually want. What is this? I did not notice that. I gotta get up here, hold on. We'll get back to that in a second. He's pulling a trailer. What? It's a Miata pulling a trailer. That is insane. It's gonna be a whole day rental, so I think it'll be pretty fun to put on the channel of what I think about that bobber. I'll have a whole day with it. It's going to be like a review bike, and if it works out and I do, you know, I like that type of thing, I might rent my dream bike, which is Springfield Dark Horse. I would love to have that for a cruiser. Calm it down now. Oops. That's one thing I don't like about the MT-07. I'll go ahead and tell you, the horn is right there next to the turn signal. So when you go to, you know, cancel your turn signal, you might blow your horn. Well, oh, thank you, Mr. Diesel Dude. Ram. You got a Ram towing a Ram. It's a nice Ram. I like the one on the back. Anyway, I want to go back to the house and see how this works. You'll learn to turn that blinker off. I'm gonna go back to the house and see how this does. Like I said, if it worked, I'll be posting this video on Tuesday. If not, you guys will not never see this. So it's been good talking with you guys. I hope everybody has a great day, and thanks for watching. Yeet.